Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Willie, and today we're gonna do some sheepshead fishing. I've been out here for probably like an hour or two, and the tide is just so low. I tried for some tarpon and snook earlier, just couldn't get them to eat. I found some tarpon, but they just didn't want to eat. So with this outgoing tide, I think he's at the bottom of the tide now, so we're gonna fish this incoming probably for about an hour or two. I got a lot of mangrove crabs that I'm going to throw around and see if we can get on some sheepshead or some snappers. I don't really have no shrimp or anything. I just have strictly mangrove crabs. So I'm just going to flip some docks and hopefully we can find some sheepshead. And I see one right now. So we're going to get to fishing and see if we can put one on the boat. Let's do it. Crabs, if you can see them. This is all I'm throwing right there. Mangrove crabs. Still think there's one down there. See that one sheepshead that I saw earlier. He was sitting up there pretty shallow, but I don't see him no more. Ooh. Oh my god, there's some big sheepshead on this dock right here. Oh my goodness, dude. There's a massive sheep. There it is. Oh my god, he got it. That's a big sheepshead. That's a monster sheepshead. And there's like 3 following it. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, that is a huge sheepshead. That is a huge sheepshead, dude. Oh, he got himself wrapped in his gills. No. He's gonna break off. Oh my gosh. Oh, please don't get in the trolling motor. That is a big sheepshead, dude. That is a monster sheepshead. Oh my gosh, dude. Try not to drag just a little bit here. There's another one sitting on that pylon. There's another sheepshead sitting on that pylon right there. Oh my gosh, he's stuck good. He is stuck really good. That is a monster sheepshead, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, please don't break off. Yes. Yes. Heck yeah, guys. Look at that freaking monster, bro. Oh my gosh. That is an absolute stud. Hook just popped out. Hook literally just popped out. Real guys. Absolutely stud. That is a massive sheepshead right there. Oh my gosh. First fish of the day. He is 21-inch sheepshead right there, guys. 21 inches. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. We're gonna let him go. There's like 3 more following it. We're gonna let this one go. See if we can catch another one. Woohoo! Let's go. Alright guys, there we go. Absolutely monster. Now let him go. Oh, come on, guy. There we go. Look how big he is, dude. He should take off here. See ya. Heck yeah, dude. Let's go. Let's go. I think we got one on, guys. Oh my gosh. He swam with it. He literally swam with the crab. Unbelievable. He swam with the crab, dude. He actually took off and started swimming with the crab. There. Oh, he just hit it. There it is. I think he's on it right now. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's one right there. There we go. Oh my gosh. Dude, I set the hook so hard. I don't know how I missed that. I don't know how I missed it. I just don't get it. I set the hook so freaking hard on that fish. How did I miss that? Oh, guys, in the bump. That's a snapper, sheep's head. Can't really tell. It might be a sheep's head. Oh, I got my bait. I move. Tide's incoming now. So, if we're gonna get a bite, it needs to be now before that current actually picks up and really starts like moving. The last one was definitely a sheep's head. Let's try this dock here. Oh yeah, that tide's moving now. It's incoming. Oh, that's a good hit. That's a good hit right there. It's a nice sheep's over there. It's a nice sheep's over there, guys. There we go. Nice sheep's over there. There we go. Got dinner. Sheep's head.
Oh, sheep's head.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Same to you. Thank you. I knew it was the one down there. I was going to keep one, but I do have a lot of fish in the cooler. I don't want to be greedy or in my freezer. There we go, guys. Beautiful sheep's over there. We're going to let him go. Let him get a little bigger. See it? I think there's another one down there, honestly, if you ask me. All right, guys, we're going to head to another section of canals. I went probably another 10-15 minutes between docks and just really didn't get another hit. Got a lot of mangrove snapper, so we're going to just find another area of docks that we haven't fished before and just try to see if we can find a few more sheep's head. That one looks really good right there, but I want to get back to the other side, so we're gonna make our way back to the other side and see if we can get on some more fish. I might throw a little artificial around. There have been some nice trout inside the canals, see if we can get one of those, but for now we're gonna keep sheep's head fishing, see if we can get on a better bite, go from there. Guys, stay tuned. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Absolutely broke me off. Go ahead all the way down. That's a nice snapper. Nice size snapper right there. He hit it on the fall. That's a big snapper. That's a big snapper right there, dude. There we go, guys. It's probably like a 14-inch snapper. See it? That's a good hit. One. That's a big sheepshead. That's a big sheepshead, dude. God, that's a big sheepshead. Tangled. Tangled is good for it. That's a big sheepshead, dude. There we go. Heck yeah. I felt them down there. I felt them down there, dude. That's an absolute brute. Let it lift him up, man. Heck yeah. Nice sheepshead there. Get that out of his mouth. There we go, guys. Nice sheepshead. Heck yeah. I was just about to give up. And then we get that broody over sheepshead right there. Heck yeah, guys. Let's see how big he is. 19 inches. Yo guys, right there, another 19-inch sheepshead. Beautiful, beautiful sheepshead. I'm debating if I want to keep some fish today, but I'm probably not gonna keep any. We're just gonna let this guy go. That's a beautiful sheepshead right there. Heck yes. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna let this fish go. Beautiful, beautiful fish. See? Alright guys, that's gonna end it for our video today. We did pretty good out there. We ended up getting 1, 2, 3, probably about 4, I think 3 maybe to 5 sheepshead today. The bite was just absolutely horrible today. I seen a lot of tarpon today. Couldn't get them to eat. I missed a couple trout before I even start recording today. And it was a pretty slow day today. We had that negative tide this morning. It was negative 0.5, so we just didn't have any water to even fish the flats or anything like that, so we had to stick to the canals. And once that tide started coming in very strong, I knew the sheepshead bite would just turn off. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a video. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I know you love the fishing content. Please subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, tight lines. Peace.